came in large part from veterans and veteran service officers in the community, many of whom are in the audience here today. These individuals recognized the need for expanded services to veterans in this area and saw that this location was an ideal solution. So former Illinois Congresswoman Judy Biggert and Debbie Halverson, both here with us today, immediately jumped on board with supporting this idea. It was great to see our elected officials take such an active and enthusiastic role in veteran health care in our area. In 2008, the Healthy Community Commission of the Silver Cross Hospital was formed to guide the hospital on the redevelopment of this campus when the hospital moved to their new location. Providing healthcare services for veterans was a goal that this commission established early on, and they worked diligently with the hospital and the community to make it a reality. At this time, we'd like to recognize the members of the Healthy Community Commission of the Silver Cross Hospital and thank them for their vision and perseverance in bringing this much-needed clinic, expanded clinic, to the community. We get a round of applause. Our first speaker today is Ms. Joan Ricard, Director of the Edward Hines Jr. VA Hospital, which has oversight over this clinic. Ms. Ricard is a native Midwesterner and has been Director at Hines since June of this last year. Ms. Ricard.
Thank you so very much. Good morning. It's certainly an honor for me to be here today. I just want you all to know that I have the best job in the nation serving each and every one of you. So thank you all for your service. I'd like to take a moment to thank Congressman Foster for being here today, for your support for all of our veterans, and participating in our event today. I also want to recognize Mr. Garcia. And Mr. Garcia is the Assistant Director of the Illinois Department of Veterans Affairs. We work collaboratively with him to make sure that we provide a wide variety of support for our veterans here in Illinois. I also want to welcome the Mayor. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your support, for everything that you do for Joliet and also for our veterans and for this clinic. And also, as Dr. Zomchek just said before, a big welcome and thank you to former Congresswomen Judy Biggert and Debbie Halverson for your initiation, your support, and your endurance in helping us get this clinic to be a reality. So thank you so very much. I also would like to welcome the Healthy Living Commission of Silver Cross, chaired by Marjorie Woods. Thank you for everything that you have done for our community here. Appreciate it. It's still going strong. I hope that's because of the great care we're receiving. The Hines VA Hospital has over 500 beds, and we have a lot of specialty care as well as primary care. Here at the Joliet Clinic, our primary mission is primary care, but we're also doing a lot of other specialty care, and we'll continue to try to expand those specialty services through initiatives such as our telehealth services, and as well as some face-to-face encounters. So as we grow, we'll be continuing to grow some of those specialty services as well. This clinic would not have come to fruition without a lot of dedicated work from a lot of our employees. And this clinic got up and running in probably the fastest time I have ever seen a building be done. So I have to give a lot of the employees here at the clinic, as well as the construction staff, as well as the network helping us out to make sure that this clinic came to fruition in a very timely manner. And before I leave, I expired at the other place. So thank you, staff, for everything that you have done. The number of patients continue to grow here, but one of our missions is to make sure that we serve all of our veterans. So if you know of anyone please reach out to them, ask them to sign up. That's what we are here for, to serve our veterans. A lot of individuals feel they are not deserving of the care, or other people are more deserving, but we are here to serve. That's what we're here for. Have them come to the clinic and sign up and enroll. That's what we want to do, is take care of our veterans. Before I forget, I don't want to be amiss in recognizing the rest of my executive leadership. You've already met Dr. Zonchek. He is our Associate Director in care of all of our operations. Thank you, Dan, for everything that you do. I also want to recognize our Chief of Staff. He keeps us in check with all the clinical stuff that we're doing. So, Dr. Broash, thank you. And also to our Associate Director for Patient Care Services and all of her nursing is Dr. Carol Gowdy. Thank you. Again, thank you all for coming to this ceremony, even though it's a little cold out here. I am very proud of the beauty of this clinic, the staff of the clinic, and the care that we're providing here. If there's anything else that we can do, please give them a holler and let them know, and they'll send it on up to me if there's something we aren't meeting. We thank you for your service to our nation, each and every one of you veterans. Thank you so very much, and congratulations on your new clinic.